Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to view all participants in Google Meet from your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my mobile I just open Meet application and I just create a new meeting. So if I create a new meeting means if I can able to see the students means only 4 or 6 views will be available. In my class I have around 50 students. I would like to see 49 students in my class. So what I have to do? Just cut the call from the Google Meet and just open Chrome browser. So in the Chrome browser on top you will find an option called 3 dots. So once you click the 3 dots and just select a desktop site. Once you select a desktop site, your browser will change as a desktop model. So just type meet.google.com. So once you enter meet.google.com, automatically your site will be like a desktop model. So just click a new meeting and start instant meeting. Once you start instant meeting, your meeting will be start instantly. So if you want to schedule the meeting or anything else, you can do according to your needs. Yes, so this is the meeting details and meeting links. You can copy and paste from your things. Yes, so this is my video. So this is from my mobile phone itself. I'm going to see all my students. What I have to do, on your downside you will find an option called 3 dots. Once you click 3 dots, you will get a different kind of option. There will be a change layout. Once you select a change layout, there are a tiled view. So once you select a tiled view, there are many tiles will be available. The default 16 tile will be there. Just increase the tiled, that is increase overall tile size is 49 means automatically entire class will be displayed in your class, so that you can able to see all the students who are entered into your class. You can able to see all your students so that you can monitor all the students whether they are listening or not. It is a beautiful option given from the Google Meet. Using the simple trick you can see all your students with your online class. Otherwise you want to see all students from your class as a student means you can able to see using this option. So just to copy the link and paste the link into the Google Chrome, automatically your meeting, that is your class, will be joined here. It is a beautiful option. Use this option, see all your students using Google Meet with your mobile phone itself. Yes, if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.